What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, I am going to be doing a fall makeup look. I think this is like my second fall makeup look since like the season started, but I'm going to be doing another fall makeup look. I'm trying to work more so like on like my getting my cut creases together. I cannot talk. Getting my cut creases together. I think I do pretty good at a cut crease. You know, I think I passed the beginner level. I'm more of like an intermediate level, but you know. So anyway, excuse that. I am going to be doing a fall makeup look using my Anastasia palette. I think that's something like using my Anastasia subculture palette. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, of course just keep watching. I already have one side done so you guys can see, and then of course I'm just going to show you step by step what I did to get this makeup look done. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so first using the Instant Edge Rewind concealer. This is in Honey. I had this one for a very long time. This is before they came out with the extended shades, and I had this one and it was too light. Clearly that's when I first started getting into makeup, and it was too light, so I just always used it as like an eyeshadow base. I'm gonna blend it out using the 334 Morphe brush. So that is what I use. So y'all, guess what? I didn't film yesterday, of course, but yesterday was my birthday. Today is November 14th. My birthday was yesterday, November 13th, but by the time y'all see this, it would be the my birthday would be the other day. I need to get my get to know me tag out. I've been supposed to do it. It's supposed to be a get to know me tag / mukbang, which I have yet to do, which is what I need to do. You know, so yeah, but I'm going in with this blending eye brush by e.l.f. This is an old brush, clearly, as y'all can see. It's an old brush. I've had this brush for a very, very long time. Way before I even started wearing eyeshadows, I had this brush, you know. So yeah, and I'm just gonna go into the Kylie Extended palette, and I'm gonna go into the shade right here. Okay, y'all, so like I said, the 13th was my birthday, and I can just say that I am, like, of course, blessed to even, you know, just to be able to tell you guys, oh, my birthday was like yesterday, you know, just to be blessed to, you know, just be here for yet another year. I'm not gonna say how old I am yet, you know, but just to be blessed, you know, that I've made it to the age that I am. Not a lot of people make it to my age, or if they do make it to my age, some of them don't make it past, you know. So I am blessed to make it to where I am. Honestly, I never thought that I would be able to say, you know, I am the age that I am, you know, and it's just a blessing overall. You know, everything is a blessing. It's just a blessing for me to just continue to, you know, celebrate yet another birthday. So that I am extremely thankful for. I'm extremely thankful for as well, you know. So yeah. Okay, so the next shade I'm gonna go into is this shade right here, which is citrine, and this, I'm gonna use this brush. I don't know what brand this is from. But I actually got this a couple years ago when I used to get the Ipsy subscriptions. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna go in with this Boo Boo Cover Up Concealer. And I'm going to be using my Morphe 224 brush, and I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetics brush, which is like a liner brush. I'm going to be using those just to also, you know, because I've been seeing a lot of people on my Instagram. I've been seeing a lot of people on like my Facebook and all of that, you know, all these Scorpios. Shout out to all my Scorpios out there. And then of course all my November babies. Of course, happy birthday to y'all. Shout out to y'all. Comment down below if you are if your birthday is in November, or is your, you know, you're a Scorpio like me. Just comment down below. Just put like the Scorpio symbol, you know, the M with the little scorpion tail on it. Just put that down below, or just put like Team Scorpio down in the description box, you know. So, and if your birthday is in November, just like let me know when your birthday is, you know. I'll tell you happy birthday, you know. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease with this. Okay, so now I'm going into the Subculture palette. The first shade I'm gonna go into is Edge. Just like this, it's like a mustard color, basically. So I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow 2 brush from Vasanti. Okay, so I'm done with the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, now finishing up with my eyes, I'm just gonna go back into the first shade that I use. Okay, now for lashes, I'm gonna use the style Alexis, which is one of my favorite styles from Miss A as well. You guys will hear me talk a lot about Miss A in any video that I do, because it is a bomb. It's a bomb company. Everything to be $1. The quality of it is just like, it's so good. Okay guys, so for lips, I'm gonna do what is this, the Super Stay Matte Ink from Maybelline, New York, which is in the color Fighter. I'm gonna go in squash with lime crime. I haven't used this one in a long time either. So this, and then I'm gonna use a liner, which is a true brown K liner. So okay, so now completed. This is the final look. This is how. Okay, this is how everything looks put together. This eye actually looks a little off, but you know what? That's okay, because I still think it's cute. So this is the final look, and I think I did pretty good with this look. I do. I like it. So yeah, so if you made it to the end of the video, of course, don't forget to thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna be doing a get to know me tag, so if you guys have any questions that you want to know, of course, just leave them down below, ask them, you know, whatever. All my Scorpio people, you know, again, shout out to all my Scorpios, happy birthday. All my November babies who have birthdays who's passed and who's coming up, again, happy birthday to you guys. And yeah, will see you guys in the next video.